to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Back on the OBS, just finished up the body work. If y'all want to see how I done that, check the description out. Should be popping up as well. I have all the videos in one playlist of this truck, but I'm finna put some color on it now. It's gonna be the color reveal. I haven't decided how I was gonna paint it because the truck actually too big to paint it inside the shop, so I can walk around it because I gotta paint behind the cab, also on the other side of the bed. So I'm gonna paint it in parts. It's going up black, cherry, pearl, so it shouldn't be no problem painting it in parts. I'm gonna paint the jambs first, so I'm gonna have to take the hood off and the doors. So that's what I'm about to do. I need to go find my son so he can help me get this hood off. Should be able to get the doors off by myself. But let me get these doors and this hood off, then I'll cut y'all back on. We'll go from there. Getting these doors off, it's a clip to hold the pin on at the top. Just take your flat head and, well, this is an aftermarket pin. And lift up on it. Okay. Then flew. Good thing I seen where it went. You gotta remove that. Plus, you gotta take the spring off. I already done. You need a spring compressor. Here's the spring. Then once you get those off, you just knock the pins down. Knock the top one goes down and the bottom one goes up. The door should come right off. This is how I get the spring. Instead of unloosening this here, I get the spring, got the spring compressor. I just put a screwdriver here, step on it, both sides, pull it up. The doors and the hood is off. Let me take you up here where they at. Here's the hood. I just got through texting the owner. He said he want me to leave this off because he gonna get a new one eventually. But I'm gonna paint up under it anyway, so doesn't really matter. I can trash this one here. Here's the doors. Now I gotta clean everything up. Wash it real good. Then we'll go from there. Move these clips. I say these clips for them. When I got a bag to put these in. We'll just take this insulation off and trash it. There's no rust up on that, so that's a good thing. I got some soap and water. Now we'll clean everything off. Roll this window, this glass down. Get it out the way. Then I get this molding off. Cause I'm gonna have to scuff all this. Wash it at the same time. since we got it clean, now we got to scuff it up so the paint helps on the bond too. I know I go through this on most of all my videos, but a lot of times it be different guys watch my videos. That's why I like to go over it again. But we're gonna be using this maroon Scotch-Brite 07447 to scuff everything up. Just gonna tear me a corner off. Let me take up here where the paint shining. See, it's not shining here, but you want to dull it off. Say for instance, that's all you gotta do. Just put some scratches in it. And I'm just gonna paint up to probably here because the door panel goes here, but I'm still gonna paint this area here a little bit. And I also got this fender that I sprayed seal on it. I'm gonna be painting from here down to here. I may spray a little paint down there because you can see a little bit of that. But I'll be doing the same thing with this here, scuffing it up. It's pretty simple, ain't it? This is about the simplest sanding you can do with this Scotch-Brite. I'm wrapping it up for us to sanding. It's like I'm wet sanding some of the areas because it still had some water, but it doesn't matter. Wet or dry, it all work. All right, now I'm gonna clean it back off with some soap and water. Then I clean the shop out. Then I transfer the doors and the hood inside the shop. And then we'll move to the next step. Just finished up cleaning everything up. I got all the panels turned over upside down so all the water can drain out. Cause you don't want to start spraying and you got water still in areas. It's not gonna turn out right. Let it sit out here a few more minutes. Then I'll take everything on the inside. I got all my panels inside, staged up, ready to be painted. I still gotta mask this area here off and stuff some paper in here as well. Try to keep it off that glass also here. I probably just drip the paper or plastic over this here. I don't have to do no masking on the fender or the hood. Let me take care of that. Here's the masking. I also cut me a small wedge with a paint stirrer just to hold this up here, because if I didn't have that wedge in there, they'd be sitting down right here, and I wanted to get some paint all the way around it. Now I wipe it down with some wax and grease remover, and we should be good to go. Here's the wax and grease remover to prep off. Here's the base coat I'll be using. It's by UreChem. Base coat clear coat. Ain't no tri-stage. The pearl is in the base coat. It's a black cherry pearl. Not sure if you're seeing it like I'm seeing it. Mixes 2 to 1. I still gotta put the reduce in here. I'm gonna be spraying up my saddle jet 5000B HVLP 1.3 tip. coats of base, black cherry. Once I put that clear on it, should be able to see that pearl a lot better than now. I just sprayed probably from here this way. I didn't spray none of that because you can't see it once you install it. Let me mix this clear up. We'll get ready to spray it. Here's 3 coats of the clear. Black cherry pearl. I think I'm gonna do the truck itself in a different video, because I'm gonna have to pull these out and let these dry overnight before I can pull them out. Then I'll start on the truck tomorrow, later on tomorrow. But I think it turned out good though. 2-stage pearl, base coat, clear coat. Yeah, stay tuned.